Discard method removes a specific item from the container and it is only supported by set. So actually it removes a specific item from the set. So the question is why we are using discard, because we already have remove method as we have seen above. The major difference is when we are using remove and we try to pass an element which is not present in the set. For example, rather than 10, if we would have written 100 here, then it would have thrown an error that this particular item is not present, this particular element is not present, right? But if we would do the same thing with discard, then it will not throw an error. So rather than remove, let me write discard, okay, and let's pass 100. Now as you can see, it did nothing. So if the element is present, it will remove. So let's say if it was 10, it would have been removed. Or if you pass element which is not present in the set, then it will do nothing. It will not throw an error. This is very handy when you are working on a code where you are not sure whether the element would be existent or non-existent, and you don't want your code to throw an error, then use discard. Okay. With that, now let's move on to clear method.